Wow, they're even doing fireworks before the show, before the parade.
Then, come up here, young man. Give us your big ho ho ho.
Ho 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 ho.
Look at all the blinking hats. Wow. They must have given them out free.
What's your number? Can anybody see their number out there? What's your number? 24?
4.
4. Oh, 4. Here's entry number 4, and family host, and he was the former host of Entertainment Tonight. Wow, look at that rock and roll guitar. 16. And then what happened? They loved him. Said the place was cursed. They never told us that. Did you know this place was cursed? Did you know there were pirates around here? Arr. Arr. Now here comes the rowing club, and they have light number. Blue light boat, what's your number? You know you're going too fast if you see those lights are flashing. But tonight they're flashing for the parade. What's your number? 58. 38. You guys think you like it? Wow. Okay, is that boat an entry with the white light? The low profile one? Fish Cruiser. Edward Ukiyo is owner and skipper, and Michael, Rebecca, and Dean are on the crew. Very nice. Okay, entry 25 with the beautiful music is Lynette Jean, a 32-foot Bayliner powerboat. The owner is Lynette Jean Fox, and skipper tonight, Gary T.L.G. Coeur d'Alene Elementary with their holiday owl mascot. And their theme is Coeur d'Alene. The Solimar is rocking with 50 gold records for the 50th anniversary of the Marina Del Rey Boat Parade. Way to go.
Now, kids, I want all you kids to look up there, and the number 5 and 0, those are records. We used to put those on a record player.
So look at this one. Here comes entry number 21. You can see them coming from far away. How do you like those outfits?
Looking good there. The boat is Cloud 9, and that's a 35-foot ocean.
Entry number 19, Abacus, the 48-foot Sea Ray powerboat. Look at the gold and silver there. The skipper is Win Weaver. The owner is Jay.
You might also know Mark from his Entertainment Tonight. He was formerly the host of Entertainment Tonight, and once again, he's currently the host of the Home and Family Show.
Now here it comes. Lots of gold on that boat. Oh, I love it. They have blow-up champagne bottles. There's 50 champagne glasses up there.
All right. 1962 to 2012 sign, that's the 50 years. A blow-up Santa and snowman. Also gold numbers. White rope light and lots of gold. Boy, you can see that gold from so far away. Beautiful. How do you like that boat? Peace to you. Their theme is Golden Christmas Dreams. Watch for this fantasy world of golden Christmas dreams of joy, love, and hope throughout the holidays.
In honor of the 50th boat parade, the boat is covered with large animated figures. The figures include Sunny, the animated golden dancer, Nessie, the 30-foot serpent, and Lady Liberty.
I can see Lady Liberty. The display is over 50 feet tall. The lights are